Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I'm going to be unboxing the March 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up, which is called No Matter the Weather. And if you like rain boots, this is a very cute set. The first thing that it comes with is your instructions, which I love because it's got the samples. It has detailed instructions on what you need to do. And a lot of people don't know this. It has a ruler guide right here. So when you're measuring out your ribbon, if it has ribbon, it has a guide. And it also has some alternate projects on the back and tells you what's included and the colors that coordinates with it. So really nice to have that handy. This set actually included a extra free stamp set. So I love, for the first, I'm going to show you the stamps that were included. And I'm just going to make sure you guys can see this okay. I need to bring it down a little. There we go. So cute sayings like, no matter the weather, we're in this together, which I think is perfectly fitting for what's going on in the world these days with the coronavirus. And wishing you brighter days ahead. You are capable of amazing things. And let love grow. Just really super cute stamp set. The free stamp set is this one. You got some cute rain boots here, and then we have some other rain boots that have floral print, super cute, some reeds, a cute little bunny, some flowers, cute flower pot. Those will look really cute coming out of the boots. And this is so cute that they put these in here. I love enamel dots. And look what they did with these enamel dots. They made them into, where are we? Cute little raindrops. They are so cute. And they're going to be adorable. And next we have the cute little cutouts. What I like to do when I first get my kits is I just punch these out. They're really easy to come out. I never have problems. I maybe have one problem when it was a lot of detail, but I always punch these out, and then I'm ready to go when I want to make cards. Now, some of the pieces are really teeny tiny, like these hearts. So if it does come with things like that, I find an extra Ziploc that I have, or take one that it came with and put those in there. That way I'm not losing any little pieces. It's got tons of little hearts, which are, this is really cute that it came with so many little hearts. Can make a Valentine Easter card with the little bunnies. They're so cute. And then nice spring card. Also, I love the saying that no matter the weather, we're in this together because of what's going on in the world. So that'll be a really cute card to send to your friends that, you know, you're not in touch with. You can't really hang out with people right now with social distancing. So that's going to be really cute. So I just take all those little pieces, I put them in there. There's another pieces. These are the tags. So for the stamped sayings, these come with super cute little flags here in different colors, and then there's some circle ones, and again I put those in. And then these are so cute. These are like little rain boots. It's so cute. And then there's like a little piece that pops out in the middle that I missed earlier, but you can just pop those out so it has like a little hole in between. You can just do that. This set comes with, so you've got 3 different card bases. You've got some cloudy sky, some blue sky, and some water on the ground, which is really cute. And I love this one. Cute little rain boots and, where's my camera? There it is. Rain boots and raincoat and bottom umbrella. It's going to be really cute with those boots. And something else that's really cute about this set is that it comes with matching envelopes. Now, how many stamp set kits do you know of that have matching cute little envelopes? Not very many. So that's really cute that it came with that as well. Alright guys, that's it for this kit. It did come with a little stamp ink pad, basic gray, but what I do is I save those, and if I have the full-size stamp pad, I just use that. So it came with this the gray color of Stampin' Up! Ink. And that's it. Stay tuned for more videos on alternate projects. Thanks guys. Bye.